Right folks, welcome back. Now, I'm going to include this as a free FLP. Please note, this is not really a massive attempt at making a beat. It's just to give you an idea about how a reggaeton beat will work. Right, I'll leave the FLP in the description, and also I will link my drum kit in the description as well, so you can go on there and download them both. But other than those two things, everything else is stock plugins, and you'll be able to use the FLP and you'll be able to use the drum kit even in FL Studio trial mode. The only thing about trial mode is you will not be able to load FLPs that you've saved into FL Studio. That's the only problem with it. Now, right, we'll go on with it because there's just one or two things I want to show you. See, I've got these cancelled out. Right, this is what I do when I'm making a beat, because I normally only go up to like 24, 16 bar chorus, and then there's like a 8 bar verse, but I've got a 4 bar intro here, so let's get on with it. Right, please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. It's JRP Music Empire, all no spaces, all one word. And also please check me out on Spotify. It's JRP space music, same with SoundCloud, and check me out on Apple Music. I've got one track out now called All in My Mind, but I've got loads and loads more coming as the time progresses, because I've got another 2 coming out on the 12th. Is it the 12th? Hold on, can't even remember. No, it's the 7th. It's the 7th. We've 2 more coming out on the 7th, folks. I'm verified on Spotify, and I'm in the process. Well, I've applied to be verified on Amazon and Apple Music, and in a couple of weeks I think I should be verified on Instagram as well, which is a wee bit of a tougher nut to crack. But please, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because the next time I have FLPs or that, you'll be the first ones to get them. Right, hope you enjoy this, and this is only to give you a basic idea of a reggaeton beat, okay? There's only one other thing, a couple of things I want to show you, right? You see the pluck? See, in order to get the you know, that kind of pluck sound. I want to show you some. A lot of people might not know this. Handy wee trick this. What you'll notice here is that shift is the key there, right? Because you'll notice, see the note pitch, the bottom notes are on a different note altogether. What happens is, see the velocity, there's a difference of 10, 95, 85, and with the shift I've got that up at 1.0, right, and I've got that 0.10, just beat, right. Right, and one other thing I want to show you, I'm not that keen on me into Edison at all, right. I actually use Audacity, and by the way, believe it or not, it works out really well, because this is what I normally do. Is the only reason it's not coming up bigger is because I'm also obviously recording this on, you know, that there, that's OBS Studio, folks, right? Handy behind you here. You can do that, and display capture, it's actually just well, you can see for yourself, it's this window here, right? So hopefully that was helpful to you. Please hit like, subscribe and comment, because the more you do that, the more it's going to help me out, and it'll help other people out that's maybe needing to see this, right? And please check out my music on Spotify, JRP Music, and good luck with your music career, and keep me posted how you are doing, and hit me up on Instagram. Or I'm not 100% clued up with everything to do with music production, but if you send me a DM, JRP Music Empire on Instagram, I will help you as much as I can. Right, later folks, take care, love and light.